1962 Ford Thunderbird hardtop here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 390 V8 power underneath the hood. That's paired up with a C4 automatic transmission. Believed to be original miles, just a little over 89,000 on it. Black Raven. Paint coat of 1. Red interior. Let's take a look at this bullet nose. You can see the chrome up front. Grill, headlight bezels. Now, as far as the paint, there's some spots showing its age a little bit. We got a little kind of checking going on over here. You can see it has a decent shine to it. It's just, like I said, you can see a little checking there, some little specks, some imperfections in it. Don't get me wrong, this one will still turn some heads. You can have some fun. Your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. It is nicely equipped, power steering, power brakes. AC technician did note AC and heat were in op. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk. Those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That'll take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. You can see the Ford Thunderbird wheel covers there, white wall radial tires. Let's take a look down this passenger side. And again, you can see the paint has a nice shine to it. See the reflection in the paint. If you stick around to the end of this video, Jason will take this for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. It does have newer interior, and as you can see, nice shape. Of course, bucket seat, center console. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run. A few kind of little stain spots on the roof. We'll also take a peek underneath the hood. You can see those panels appear to be nice and straight. All right, looks like we have some extra parts that will go along with this. And manuals, looks like we have a body and interior manual. Some moldings. Some miscellaneous items, wheel covers, and you'll be able to see those in the still pictures also. And once again, all those still pics, uniqueclassiccars.com. So we get a look at the chrome on the rear bumper, tail light bezels, beautiful deck lid emblem with that Thunderbird. A few notes from the technician on this one. Mentioned the brakes are 100% in the front and the rear. The wipers work. Does have dual exhaust. Mentioned the bottom ball joints do have some wear. Left window back here on the driver's side needs a little help going up and down. And your typical powertrain seats. Let's take a look down this driver's side. And if you like Thunderbirds, no matter what year, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. The videos are uploaded daily. And when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And of course, that can be done online or right off our showroom floor. I always think it's cool on these how they incorporated that door handle right into the trim piece. Makes for a smooth body line right there. All right, so we do have power windows, as you can see. Also a power seat over here. On the driver's side, seat belts intact, front and rear. Headliner, visor looking good. All right, tell you what, I remembered I got to grab the keys for this one, so let me pause it a second. We're gonna grab the keys and start it up, let's hear it run. All right, we're back with the keys. Do want to mention, you can see that dash. That's from the defroster vent. It's just not bad. This looks like the vinyl separating a little bit from that defroster vent. All right, get the keys in here and get this fired up. Little cold-blooded, just gave her a couple pumps and we'll let her warm up here a little bit. Love this dash with those chrome trimmed gauges. Hey, look at this. Clock's even working over here. See the second hand going around. There's the exact miles, 89,352. And again, that's believed to be original.
Secretary Sean Duffy also on site for liftoff with
AM radio, working order. Cool dash in these, no doubt about that. All right, running pretty smooth. Door closes nicely. They don't sound like that closing anymore. Let's listen. We do have a little delaminating of the chrome back here in the bumper. Boy, that baby's quiet. And again, that's a 390 V8 underneath the hood. Let's check out this engine bay. I'm going to pause it a second. Let me get this hood popped open. Check out the engine bay and then stick around to the very end. Jason's going to take it for a drive, take you for a virtual ride, if you will. All right, give you a good look at the underside of the hood first. And engine bay. So we have a disconnect over here in the battery for when it's in storage or in between drives. Power steering, power brakes, AC. Looks like the AC components are there, and it has been converted from R12 to 134A, but we'll need some attention to both cold. Look at how smooth that thing is running. That engine is not even a wobble in there. Doesn't look like there's hardly a vibration. Sounds good. (1962) Ford Thunderbird hardtop. Number to call: 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. And yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're going for a ride in a 1962 Ford Thunderbird. A beautiful black Thunderbird. One of the favorite body styles, honestly, of a T-Bird for myself. The stereo even says Thunderbird. And I'm not what I have been. And it works very well. Turn signal indicators also working. The blower motor works on this car. Really impressive condition inside and out. Nice red bucket seats in this car. A little bit of warping right at the defrost vent on the dash. One chip in the windshield. These are the few things that I'm seeing that are imperfections. The horn works well. Fuel gauge reads less than half a tank. The temperature right in the middle of the gauge. Speedometer working. Clock equipped right here, and it is counting the seconds. Beautiful swooping dash design in this car. The steering wheel does tilt when you park. You can tilt it to the side for easy entry and exit. Power windows. Nice smooth runner, strong performance on the engine. Brakes smooth. Corners well. This car, you know, it leans a little, leans as much as you'd expect, but it rides low. It is a luxury cruiser and corners well. Check out all the pictures of this 62 Ford Thunderbird at UniqueClassicCars.com.